1. Wait. 2. 3. 3 cups of self-raising flour. And then you add 2 cups of yogurt. But you can use something like a thick mabisi. But the yogurt is the original.
Unflavored yogurt.
Unflavored, thick, double cream or Greek yogurt, not watery one.
Real thick, high quality mabisi.
So it's plain, it's not flavored.
We never buy the flavored one because it's full of sugar. It's and flavors. It's not. There will be some fruit, but it will be cooked. But yogurt is as good as mabisi. It's healthy. Okay. Now I want to put in a little bit of salt. Otherwise it tastes very bland. You stir it until it's like a nice dough. Kan jy die pannetjie waar daar in die wind is spuit? Hoe ja, en 'n ander groot pan. If it's sticky like this, it's okay, because now I'm going to roll it with flour.
Check it out. Okay. Looks small. Going to be flat.
You like it? You want to play with it, eh? Yes. Jerome wants to play with the dough. It's nice, something to play with. And it's not poisonous. You can work on that, but it's easy to just use this.
Not to get stuff.
Because this is nice, yeah. It's nice.
Stay there.
Ngumlani. Umtshayela ngoba yifika. Senta ngathi. So specific like kakuchitira pala.
Okay, gaan lekker genoeg.
Zullen we? Tyler niet.
Agtertoe.
You can use other cheese, you don't have to use mozzarella.
You can use any cheese as long as it's not cream cheese or the processed cheese.
But we got this mozzarella at a very good price. Normally the price is 140 rand a kilo, we got it for 100 rand.
No,
Less,
that was 90.
90 rand a kilo.
All the cheese we bought was the week before, no, the day before you came, 2 days before you came. We went to the shop and that's what, we have to buy some cheese, but the cheese is so expensive. For a long time we didn't buy cheese because it's so expensive. And then I saw the price of the cheese and he was busy with the meat. I said, you have to come now, you have to look what this, you have to see it with your own eyes. Must have been the Lord. Yeah, it was 90 rand. Can you believe it? You will never get it for that price again.
We don't normally buy mozzarella because it is so expensive.
Heb je hem goed gespeeld?
So je maakt die afzonderlijke.
I'm going to make one big pizza. Everybody going to share. It's just to fit on that.
Sit. Sit.
Die rechter
Sit.
is nog goed genoeg.
Sit. 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 Let's see if we can transfer it. It's a little bit thick, but I don't think you will mind if it's a little bit thick. Let me Heb je hier nog gespreid?
Ja.
A bigger one. Space. It's already, you can use butter or margarine.
Wait, we'll get better.
It's going now to the oven for 5, and then I will look at it, and then maybe another 2 minutes. I think 5 minutes will be enough, but then we are going to put on the tomato paste and the slices of the ham and the cheese, and we put it back for 5 minutes, and it's done.
Oh, because it's self-raising. That's why.
No, not because it's thick. It's thin.
Oh.
The thicker, the longer. And bread, for example, bread will bake for an hour because it's. But even if it's the same flour,
Self-raising.
but you don't have to wait for it to start rising like you have to wait for bread flour to see if the yeast is really active. Thickness here. Okay. Alright, come on.
Zie.
Nee, nou.
Ik doe eens even.
Nee, je moet hem eerst wachten. Hij is niet aan. I thought it was okay. The oven.
Die extra was ik
The oven wasn't on. The time wasn't set. You have to have the time. Because if you switch on the oven and there's no time because of the electricity. Do you want to eat? Do you want to play? You want to play?
Get. Oh. So thank you.
The dough is out of the oven. The oven did not reach the temperature yet, but I'm going to take it out because it's going back, so I have to work very fast.
If you want proper coffee here. En voor mij nog een ijzer kan alleen nou.
So that's why I was saying to you, the second document, so that Muhammad, if you need to know what is full. And so, the best really is what I want to say. Maybe if we can home, it's only a problem. That's the reason why I try to eat more so that the Muhammad concept cafe, once it is open, it can be edited within cafe in full. So you're taking one camera things.
anyone interested in ground coffee, it's here.
Oh, see.
Just turn it here to open, and you can
You put the open in front of you, the word open. And then you can start adding this, but no, what don't, oh, there's a plate. You just have to work quickly before it cools off too much.
moet hy heel grauw wees.
Nee. Dan brand hy van bo af. Dit is genoeg. Okay, so.
Oh, sorry, Charlie. Okay, I'm sorry, it's good. Sorry, it's good.
Ja,